You gonna shake your rattle? Shake, shake, shake. Hi, Benji. Hi. Here's Benji at 11 weeks old. Such a big boy. Such a big boy. Uh-oh. You just whack yourself with that? Huh? Put it in his hand to see if he could hold on to it. And he's been holding on to it for about 4 minutes now. Yeah, you're going to know how to shake that rattle, aren't you? Say, hug you. Hug you. I'm going to get your cheekies. I'm going to get your cheekies. Say, boo. I can get your nose. Diggy, diggy, diggy. Get the chin, chin, chin. Get the chin, chin, chin. All right, say bye, bye.